Hello everyone, we are the Quantum Fixers and today we are here to present our project for Youth Ideathon 2025. My name is Pranav and my teammate's name is Nimith Richard. Over to you, Nimith.
Many people struggle to fix their appliances because there is a lack of technical skill, trustworthy guidance, and affordable replacement parts. Users often become alarmed and seek out costly technicians even for minor issues that they could fix themselves. Consequently, India is estimated to spend 43,000 crores a year on unnecessary labor and service fees. To reduce this substantial financial waste, users need a simple, reliable way to identify issues, learn how to make repairs step by step, and quickly locate reasonably priced parts.
These issues can be resolved by TuneUp, an AI-powered repair assistant that offers quick, precise, and customized application diagnostics. The AI finds the problem, explains the cause, and provides precise step-by-step repair instructions when the user uploads a picture or describes the problem. It compares prices from reliable sellers and reasonably priced replacement parts with verified links. For users with varying skill levels, the AI also offers safety advice and substitute solutions. The AI helps people fix appliances on their own, save money, cut waste, and prolong lifespan by making professional advice available at any time, all without requiring a technician for minor problems.
Compared to now, TuneUp's users base will reach 5,000 in a year. We'll add more AI chatbots and numerous new features that will assist you in a variety of other ways. For instance, we plan to develop drones, eye wearables using our AI application that can recommend remediation of any physical or technical issue of industrial machinery, high power grids, and high tension lines.
We hope our project meets your expectations. Thank you.